Residential window replacement in vinyl windows. Richland Hills is the smart way to improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. Homeowners looking for vinyl replacement windows. Richland Hills TX often want a cleaner look, stronger insulation, and less upkeep than aging wood or aluminum units. A trusted replacement window contractor can handle house window replacement, home window installation, and window frame replacement with precision, helping properties in Richland Hills, Texas get modern vinyl windows that perform better in every season. Whether the project calls for affordable window replacement, low-maintenance windows, or insulated vinyl windows, the right residential window contractor can match the style of the home with the best vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX for lasting results. Choosing vinyl windows. Richland Hills ensures homeowners benefit from durability, efficiency, and long-term performance. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. Richland Hills are one of the best upgrades for reducing drafts and improving indoor temperature control. Double pane vinyl windows, double pane replacement windows. Richland Hills, and insulated home windows. Richland Hills TX help keep cool air in during Texas heat and warm air in during colder months. Homeowners searching for drafty window replacement. Richland Hills Texas or drafty window installation and replacement can benefit from a window upgrade service that focuses on performance and durability. Vinyl window installers near Richland Hills can recommend energy-efficient vinyl windows. Richland Hills, modern vinyl windows, and low-maintenance vinyl windows. Richland Hills, Texas for better comfort, lower utility bills, and an attractive finished appearance that fits any residential style. Whole house window replacement. Richland Hills, Texas is ideal for older properties that need a full refresh and better efficiency from top to bottom. A whole home window replacement. Richland Hills, Texas project can include old window replacement, broken window replacement, and residential vinyl window replacement. Richland Hills for a consistent look across the entire home. Local homeowners often choose new vinyl windows, vinyl replacement windows, and replacement windows for homes. Richland Hills to upgrade both function and aesthetics. A window replacement company. Richland Hills, Texas can also provide custom vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX for unique openings, making sure every room gets the right fit and the right level of performance from a local vinyl window replacement experts. Richland Hills team. Upgrading to vinyl windows. Richland Hills is a proven way to enhance both efficiency and visual appeal across the entire property. Home window replacement. Richland Hills, Texas should always be handled by experienced professionals who understand local building needs and climate demands. House window installation. Richland Hills and residential window services in Richland Hills TX can include window retrofit service, window retrofit for homes in Richland Hills, and residential window upgrade. Richland Hills TX for homeowners who want a faster, cleaner installation process. Many clients choose a local window contractor. Richland Hills TX because they want dependable service, accurate measurements, and expert recommendations for vinyl windows. Richland Hills. From new vinyl window installation. Richland Hills TX to house windows replacement service. Richland Hills. The goal is to deliver durable, attractive, and efficient results that improve the home inside and out. Custom vinyl windows and specialty styles give homeowners more control over design and ventilation. Awning window replacement, casement vinyl windows, and sliding vinyl windows are popular choices for Richland Hills homes that need style, airflow, and easy operation. Sliding vinyl replacement windows. Richland Hills work well in spaces where smooth function and low maintenance matter most, while casement window replacement. Richland Hills TX can boost ventilation and security. A residential window contractor can also source custom vinyl windows, modern vinyl windows, and new vinyl windows that fit both traditional and contemporary architecture. For homeowners comparing options, affordable residential window replacement. Richland Hills and affordable window replacement solutions can still include high-quality features and durable materials. Old window replacement is often the first step toward a more efficient and visually appealing home. Broken window replacement, window frame replacement, and residential window replacement can fix damaged openings, stop air leakage, and restore overall home performance. In Richland Hills, Texas, Homeowners looking for house window replacement or window upgrade service can choose Vinyl Replacement Windows Richland Hills TX for a long-lasting solution that resists warping, rotting, and excessive maintenance. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Richland Hills and insulated vinyl windows Richland Hills Texas help support year-round comfort, while low-maintenance windows make cleaning and care easier. A reliable replacement window contractor can streamline the process from consultation to installation. Vinyl replacement windows in Richland Hills are an excellent choice for homeowners wanting value, durability, and style in one upgrade. Residential vinyl window replacement Richland Hills can improve every part of a property, from bedrooms to living rooms to kitchens, with modern vinyl windows that complement the home's architecture. Local window contractor Richland Hills TX services often include house window installation Richland Hills, whole house window replacement Richland Hills Texas, and new vinyl windows for homeowners seeking consistent quality. For those searching vinyl window installers near Richland Hills, the best providers offer detailed product options, including double-pane vinyl windows, sliding vinyl replacement windows Richland Hills, and casement vinyl windows tailored to the needs of local homes. Replacement window contractor services in Richland Hills, Texas should focus on craftsmanship, communication, and long-term performance. Whether the project involves home window installation, window retrofit service, or residential window services in Richland Hills TX, skilled installers can deliver a seamless upgrade that boosts property value and curb appeal. Homeowners searching for home window replacement Richland Hills Texas or house windows replacement service Richland Hills often want a team that understands local weather, energy efficiency, and style preferences. That is why custom vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX, energy-efficient vinyl windows, and insulated home windows Richland Hills TX remain top choices for residential window contractor projects throughout the area. Local homeowners in vinyl windows Richland Hills often look for a dependable path to better performance, and the right window replacement company Richland Hills Texas can provide exactly that. From residential window upgrade Richland Hills TX to replacement windows for homes Richland Hills, every project should be tailored to the home's size, style, and budget. Whether the need is broken window replacement, drafty window installation and replacement, or full whole home window replacement Richland Hills Texas, high-quality vinyl replacement windows, affordable residential window replacement Richland Hills, and low-maintenance vinyl windows Richland Hills Texas deliver strong value. For lasting results, choose local vinyl window replacement experts Richland Hills who install the best vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX with care and precision. Whole home window replacement Richland Hills Texas delivers a major upgrade for comfort, curb appeal, and energy savings, especially when you choose vinyl replacement windows Richland Hills TX from a trusted replacement window contractor. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement, house window replacement, or old window replacement can benefit from modern vinyl windows, insulated vinyl windows, and low-maintenance windows designed for long-lasting performance in Richland Hills. Whether the goal is a full window upgrade service or a whole house window replacement, professional residential window contractor support helps ensure the right fit for every opening. Energy-efficient vinyl windows Richland Hills homeowners prefer can reduce drafts, improve insulation, and support lower utility costs year-round. From double-pane vinyl windows to double-pane replacement windows Richland Hills, these upgrades are ideal for drafty window installation and replacement, broken window replacement, and window frame replacement projects. A reliable local window contractor Richland Hills TX can recommend energy-efficient vinyl windows, insulated home windows Richland Hills TX, and vinyl replacement windows that match the style and performance needs of your property. Home window installation Richland Hills Texas is a smart choice for anyone seeking new vinyl windows, custom vinyl windows, or replacement windows for homes Richland Hills. A skilled residential window contractor can handle house window installation Richland Hills, new vinyl window installation Richland Hills TX, and residential vinyl window replacement Richland Hills with precision. For properties that need flexibility, window retrofit service and window retrofit for homes in Richland Hills offer a practical solution without sacrificing efficiency or appearance. Local vinyl window replacement experts Richland Hills can also provide custom vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX for unique dimensions and design preferences. Affordable residential window replacement Richland Hills is available for homeowners who want dependable quality without overspending. A reputable window replacement company Richland Hills Texas can provide affordable window replacement, house windows replacement service Richland Hills, and residential window services in Richland Hills TX tailored to the home's condition and budget. Vinyl window installers near Richland Hills often recommend vinyl windows Richland Hills options that combine durability, beauty, and performance, making them a strong choice for long-term value. Vinyl replacement windows in Richland Hills are ideal for a wide range of styles, including awning window replacement, casement window replacement Richland Hills TX, sliding vinyl replacement windows Richland Hills, casement vinyl windows, and sliding vinyl windows. For homeowners comparing the best vinyl windows in Richland Hills TX, modern vinyl windows and low-maintenance vinyl windows Richland Hills, Texas provide dependable operation and a clean look. From residential vinyl window replacement Richland Hills to vinyl window replacement Richland Hills TX, the right solution can transform any home with better efficiency, better comfort, and better style. Investing in vinyl windows Richland Hills is a smart decision for homeowners seeking long-term durability, energy efficiency, and modern design.